Hi guys! Hello! You want to play a game of hide and seek?
Yes!
Okay, I'm counting first. You guys need to go hide, okay? Alright, go hide. We'll go count over here at the window. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Let's go find where they're hiding. Where could they be, guys? Let's have a look in here in this bathroom. Nobody's here. Okay. Where could they be? Let's have a look in the bedroom. Let's see. Check the bathroom. No, nobody's in the bathroom. Okay. Where else could they be? Let's check on the other side of the bed. I'm coming to find you guys. Oh, no one's there. Oh, no one's behind the curtains either. Let's check this side. Where are you guys? Let's have a look in the cupboard. No one's hiding this side. No one's hiding this side. Okay. This is getting a bit tricky now. Oh, I see some shoes on the floor there. Maybe someone's hiding in here. Let's have a look in the bathroom. No. What about in this? Oh, nobody up here? No. I found you, Arjun. Hiding in the bathtub. Alright, come and help me find the girls now. Alright, are they in the wardrobe?
No.
Nobody in there? No? Okay.
Let's check in here.
Check in the bottom cupboard.
No.
Nobody's hiding in there. What about under the table?
No.
No. Let's check behind these curtains. I think they're in here, Arjun.
Maybe in the drawers? No.
Definitely not. Let's go out and have a look. Maybe they're tricking us and hiding in the kitchen. Cheeky girls. Where could they be?
Under that?
Let's have a look under the bench. No. Let's have a look behind the sofa. No. I think they must be in the kitchen. Let's have a look. Oh, nobody's here either. Check behind this curtain. No. What is this? Yay! High five! You guys had a good place to hide. Well done. That was amazing. Was that fun?
I did this.
Thanks for joining us for Hide and Seek. We are staying at the city of Sharjah in the United Arab Emirates, and we are staying at the Doubletree Hilton Hotel, and the kids are having so much fun.